One of my favorite toys back in the day when I was younger was those little track cars where you can build out your own track and have the cars race each other. And if you haven't heard, that's back, but in a whole new way, taking advantage of modern technology from a company called Anki. In this video, I give you a look at the Anki Overdrive and tell you how you can win one as well. What's going on, Tech Squad? Andrew Edwards here, editor-in-chief of GearLive.com. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about tech, gadgets, and gaming. And in this video in particular, it's also about giveaways. I'm talking about the Anki Overdrive system. Now, I mentioned those cars back in the day. I don't know if you remember those or not, but basically you would take cars, you would slot them in, maybe they're called slot cars, I don't know, and then you'd have a little controller to make them go and they would follow in their little track. That's the old way of doing things, and Anki's got a whole new way of doing things that doesn't even require the slot anymore. So let me tell you about the Anki Overdrive and also how you can win the one that we're giving away. With the Anki Overdrive, you use your mobile device to take command of real robotic supercars. Each supercar is loaded with cutting edge features, including an optical sensor, a dedicated 50 megahertz CPU, and 2 high-performance motors for precision maneuvering with 1mm accuracy. What we're giving away in particular is the Anki Overdrive Starter Kit, which allows you to build up to 8 battlefields in just a matter of seconds. You battle and race against friends or even against an AI-controlled vehicle. If you're going all iPhone or all Android, it's super easy. And if you're mixing the two, some people controlling their cars with iPhones, some people controlling their cars with Android, that works as well as long as you're all on Wi-Fi. And of course, since this is just a starter kit, it comes with everything you need to get started. You can always add on additional tracks, additional cars, and even super trucks as well. Anki actually debuted the Anki Drive, so this is before the Overdrive, on stage at an Apple event. They've come a long way since then with the release of the Anki Overdrive. Now, how can you win one of the Overdrives that we're giving away? It's very simple. I've teamed up with 2 of my friends, 2 great fellow video creators. First of all, Chris from Daily Tech. If you're into Apple or the Apple ecosystem, check out Daily Tech. Chris is one of the great guys to go to for information on anything Apple. And I've also teamed up with my friend Crystal Laura. She's been around for a while, bringing you her unique look at everything tech over on her channel. Now, like I said, we've all teamed up on this giveaway. We have a link down in the description below, and I'll put it here on screen as well. Just follow that link and it'll take you over to our giveaway page where you can find the giveaway widget. That'll walk you through what you need to do in order to enter. But spoiler, it's very simple. At a bare minimum, you just need to be subscribed to our 3 channels. And by the way, if you're a member of the channel, we do have that extra perk for you guys as well. Details will be found on the community tab of my channel. So there you have it, guys. That was your look at the Anki Overdrive, your overview of what it does, and the details of how you can win one of your very own. Any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll meet you there for further discussion. Good luck to all who enter. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We appreciate your support. The reason we do this is to give back to you guys, especially at this time of year. We love giving back and saying thank you for supporting us, because without you, we wouldn't be able to do what we love to do. So again, thank you one more time. I'm Andrew Edwards. I appreciate your support, and I'll catch you in the next video.